Two ships are sailing in the sea on either side of a lighthouse. One which is in the left is having depression 45 degree, and one which is in the right of the lighthouse is having the angle of depression 60 degree. Let the ship A, if you will see this, let this be the ship A. This is ship A, and this is ship B, suppose let, and let this point is C, and this point is your D. And it is given that the separation between, if we will see, between A and B, this separation is equal to, AB is given as 100 into 1 plus root 3 by root 3, this much of meter. So we can write AB as also 100 into 1 plus root 3 by root 3, 1 plus 1 by root 3, this much of meter AB is given. Now if we will join this, we will have a triangle ACD, and here similarly we will have BCD. If you will see ACD triangle, now in ACD triangle, if you will see, then this angle will be equal to 45 degree because two lines are parallel. This line is parallel to this reference line. So if this angle is 45 degree, then this will be equal to 45 degree. So we will write in triangle ACD, and this is the, let this be the height as h, you can take the height of the lighthouse. In triangle ACD, we can write this as h by AD is equal to tan 45 degree, and we know that tan 45 degree is equal to 1. So value of AD is equal to h. Similarly, in triangle BCD, we can write h by BD is equal to tan 60 degree, because this angle is equal to 60 degree, if you will see. Now BD will be equal to h by root 3, because tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. So now AD plus BD will give you AB. So that is equal to h plus h by root 3, which is equal to AB is given as 100 into 1 plus 1 by root 3. Or if we will take h as common, we will get 1 plus 1 by root 3, which is equal to 100 into 1 plus 1 by root 3. If we will solve it, we will get h is equal to, now h will be equal to 100. 1 plus 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by root 3. Now this is cancelled out, 1 plus 1 by root 3, 1 plus 1 by root 3. Hence answer is 100 meter. This is the answer.